So today we're coming at you from the iconic street of Kings Road. We're located in Newport Heights, right in the heart of Newport Beach, and we've got a treat for you today. I've got this amazing home behind me that's recently been finished. It's about 6,400 square feet, has amazing views behind us of Newport Harbor and the ocean. Today we're gonna see in Newport Beach what 12 million bucks buys you. Come on, follow me in. So thanks for joining us. We are now inside 1010 Kings Road in Newport Beach. We are in the highly sought after area of Newport Heights. I'm here with my good friend Brian Liberto, who is not only the agent, but also the developer, as well as part owner in this property, part investor. Yeah. What can you share with us about this property? I know it's been a huge labor of love for you.
This is we've worked on this for about 2.5 years. It's about 6,400 square feet, 6 bedroom, 5 bath. We have a pool, we have a jacuzzi, we have a dog run. We got views from 2 levels, Gabe. Maybe you and your family should move in here.
I'm thinking about it. Okay. You know, I'll cut you a check.
Okay.
Don't know if it'll clear. Don't know if it'll clear.
$12 million.
$12 million home.
Yeah.
You've got some of the best views that I've seen in Newport Beach.
Yeah.
You've got the harbor. You've got, you know, city lights up to Crystal Cove, up to Newport Coast. Talk about some of the things that you came across in this project as you were going through.
So as we were going through the project, there were things we had to know to get, you know, this price point. We had to maximize views. We have ocean, bay, beach, Newport Coast, and Long Beach views, all from the top level upstairs. And I'm sure we're gonna go up there later. I'd love to show it to you.
Yeah, no, we'll definitely take a look. Why don't you tell our viewers about Newport Heights and then specifically Kings Road? Why do families come to Newport Heights? Why do people come and buy a home in Newport Heights? Why don't you tell us about the area?
No problem. I've been working in the area for probably about 11 years, and Newport Heights is one of your best values in Newport Beach and Corona del Mar because you get the larger lot size, 6,000 and 9,000 square foot lots, and you get bigger homes. Kings Road is the most exclusive street, I think, one of the most exclusive streets in Newport Beach, but for sure in Newport Heights because of the views down the channel. This community is very family friendly. A lot of people that come here because they can walk to all the schools, which is a huge thing for a family.
No, for sure, for sure. Well, I think we've talked enough. Let's see Let's see this bad boy.
Let's go see it, buddy. Come on. I'm gonna buy it.
If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Orange County, California, tap the subscribe button below and hit that bell to get notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Orange County. Hi, my name is Gabe Cole, and my team and I get tons of questions and calls about what it's like to live here in Orange County. So whether you're looking to make a move in 10 days or 10 months, please shoot us a message, leave a comment, or you can call and text us. Our contact info is below. We're here to help you make that smooth move to Orange County. So we're here on the second story now of 1010 Kings Road. You can see why people spend 10 million plus to live here. I mean, these views are amazing. On
Kings Road, you have the A row and B row. Entry level of the community for land would be about $4 million on the B row. The highest price home would probably go up to about $18 million. And so in between, you have some of the in-betweeners would be about $6 million. So to get in the community, you're probably, non-land can be about $6 million would be a minimal amount, but you are getting the views and you're getting a low dollar per square foot in comparison to Corona del Mar.
Because this house is 6,400 square feet. So price per square foot, what are you at, about 1,800?
So this dollar per square foot, I think it comes out to 1856 or something like that,
To get new construction of this caliber with views like that, I think you're priced to go. I know you've had a ton of activity on it. And I think the right buyer is going to be right.
Yeah, we've had probably 500 people through here, but if you compare this to Irvine Terrace or Corona del Mar, that's 23, 24, 2,800 a foot. So this is actually a bargain.
It is.
I think the area is better because I can go to the beach. I'm a surfer, but you know, it's all relative.
Yeah. Where's your favorite surf spot?
I surf 36th Street and also 48th. I've been coming there for 40 years.
How about the wedge? You don't do the wedge?
I do the wedge.
You do the wedge.
Not at 50.
How about the wedge when they're running at 10, 12 feet?
Probably not, Gabe.
Probably not. I'll look at it. We talked about that. You don't want to be laying on the rocks on the wedge, right? You don't. This is the king. This is the king of the kings. He doesn't want to be the king of the wedge.
No, I don't want to be the king of the wedge. This is laid up on the rocks, buddy.
Okay guys, this is where it all goes down. We're on the top level of 1010 Kings Road. This is where you entertain. You've got the most amazing views of Newport Harbor off the back of the home. You've got these great expansive decks, these pocket doors that open up probably 12, 14 feet. This kitchen is truly stunning. You've got a 10-foot center island, top of the line appliances. They've really done a lot with the architecture and the engineering of this property to make a wide open floor plan layout, and it really capitalizes on the views, right? Because the views are what everyone's looking for, probably anywhere, but in Newport Beach specifically. You gotta come with me. I wanna show you the wine cellar. There's a lot of thought went into this. Come on over here. Talk about a showpiece. You've got this 380 bottle count wine cellar that is refrigerated, so it's temperature controlled. So behind me is the backdrop, and this is what it's all about. This is what you're paying the big bucks for to live in Newport Beach. And you could live on the sand, or you could live on the harbor, waterfront, for a similar price point. However, you're gonna get a lot less square footage. This home is almost 6,500 square feet. So if entertaining is important to you, or you've got a big family, or you just like spreading your elbows out and having room with a pool. So now standing in one of the two primary bedroom suites of this home. You've got one primary bedroom suite on the top level, which we're at right now, and then you also have one on the bottom level, right? So this could work great for multi-generation families, or if you want an in-laws quarters. If you have the need or a larger family, this bedroom is actually the smaller of the two. I'll take you into the other master suite downstairs. It's quite a bit bigger, but you've got phenomenal views off the back of the house from actually both bedrooms, whether you're on the bottom level or the top. You can really tell the quality of a home when you are in the primary bathroom suite as well as the kitchen. We've got a beautiful marble mosaic flooring below me. You got amazing finished details on the counter here, custom cabinetry. The shower, again, this is the secondary primary bedroom. So the shower is a large walk-in steam shower. You even have surround sound in the shower. This house has been completely wired and set up with the top of the line technology. It's got a Crestron system. Crestron is really the top of the line system that you don't typically find in homes that are what you would call a spec home, right? Sometimes you see a builder may pre-wire it for this type. This controls the lighting, it controls the AV equipment, the surround sound, the TV, the alarm system. Everything is controlled from these panels throughout the house, and it's really a touch above of what a buyer should expect when they're buying a $12 million property. This staircase is literally a piece of art. It's the first thing that you see when you walk in through that front door, and it has the wow effect. When you look at this, they had to create this huge open space in the middle of the home that literally spans probably 25 feet from the floor up to the ceiling. And then they created this floating staircase. You've got these steel beams that run in the middle of all of these big, thick European oak steps. They go up, and it just creates this open feeling, and it is incredible to look at, and it just really gives this such an amazing appeal. So now we're on the entry level of the home, and remember how I was saying there's multiple entertaining areas of this house? The entry level has multiple sitting rooms, a bar area. It all leads out to a pool, spa, as well as a barbecue area. You gotta follow me back this way so I can show you how this lays out. You've got the front where I just was like a front parlor. We already had an upstairs parlor, we got a downstairs parlor. You got another area here with a wet bar and another seating area, and then come on out here with these pocket doors that open up, the pool and spa behind me. You even have your own flat screen TV. This is literally an entertainer's dream house. Okay, so now we're in the primary suite on the main floor. Remember how I said there's two primary suites in this property? You've got this one down here, which also has great views behind me, but it's also quite a bit larger than the one upstairs. So this is probably where the property owner wants to sleep, and you still get to wake up every morning in your bed and you get to look out. The homes behind me, the homes that you see across the street that are all lower than us, they have deed restrictions. What that means is they are not allowed to build up. So the homes on either side, They have built up because they didn't have those deed restrictions, but you don't have to worry about you one day sleeping in your bed and waking up in the morning and that ocean harbor view being gone, because the homes across the street are not allowed to build up. Okay, yeah, I'll meet you up there in a minute. Did I forget to mention this house has its own elevator? We're now on the bottom level floor, which is right off the garage. You got a full-size laundry room down here, as well as a guest bedroom and bathroom. This elevator services all 3 levels of this house, and you're not gonna wanna spend 12 million bucks if you don't have an elevator, am I right? All right, thanks for tuning in today. Brian, thank you for the tour. It was a lot of fun. We always have fun together, don't we?
That's for sure.
So if you are interested in this property, I know you're doing open houses every single weekend till it sells.
We
so
will.
Saturday, Sunday, what, 1 to 4?
Every Saturday,
1 to
Sunday.
4. You can call Brian Liberto or myself if you have any interest. If you want to learn more about Newport Beach or Kings Road, hit us up.
We'd love to have an opportunity to work with you and your family, and me and Gabe will do it.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.